Welcome again to Building Stuff, continuing our series on Tesla coil builds. Today we're going to test the output of one Tesla coil with different length or size of secondary coils. So does size really matter? A question asked and debated by more males than females throughout history for some reason. Anyway, we're going to have a look at that today. So with any scientific experiment, we're going to change one variable. So using the same Tesla coil, it's a dual MOT Tesla coil. The first secondary coil is 60 centimeters high, and we're going to have a look at how that performs in the next bit of the video and compare it with the taller or longer coil. 220 nanofarad dual MOT Tesla coil with its new short secondary coil. So that was the performance of the shorter of the two coils. 60 centimeter coil, pretty impressive. Now we're going to swap that coil and borrow this coil from one of the other units. This coil measures 78 centimeters, so a significant difference in height, and we'll see how that performs. 220 nanofarad dual MOT Tesla coil with the taller secondary coil. So that was the performance of the taller secondary coil on the unit. Now its discharge from the breakout point to the ladder is equivalent, about 105 centimeters. No arcs to the ground, for the reason that the breakout point on the taller or longer secondary coil is high above the ground, so it didn't make any breaks or arcs to the ground. But the arcing to that ladder is the same distance. So the performance of a longer and a shorter Tesla coil are equivalent. And so an important lesson, authors indicate that the ratio of the secondary coil, its diameter to its length, is somewhere between 1:5 and 1:7. These coils have a diameter of 11 centimeters, and the first coil being 60 centimeters, that's about 5.5 to 1 or 1 to 5.5. And the second coil is about 1 to 7, but the performance is very similar. So the lesson in this regard is that you can work and produce very good discharges with the lower end of that ratio, 1 to 5 or 5 to 1, and that will save you on work, time, resources, building a longer secondary coil. Hope that helps. Subscribe and like, and follow us if you want to learn more of my experiments relating to Tesla coils. See you next time.